Hey skincare junkies! Today, we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked but incredibly crucial for achieving that flawless complexion we all dream of. Let's talk about something super important: the order in which you apply your skincare products. You might have the best products in the world, but if you're not using them in the right sequence, you might not be getting the full benefits. You might be thinking, does it really matter? Trust me, it does. The order of application can make or break your skincare routine. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't put the roof on before the walls, right? Each step builds on the previous one, creating a strong foundation. The same logic applies to skincare. Starting with a clean face, you layer products from the thinnest to the thickest consistency. This ensures that each product can penetrate your skin effectively. Applying products in the correct order ensures that each one can penetrate your skin effectively and deliver maximum benefits. For instance, serums should go before moisturizers because they are lighter and need to be absorbed first. When you layer your skincare properly, you're essentially creating a clear pathway for each product to work its magic. This way, your skin can absorb all the nutrients and active ingredients without any barriers. On the other hand, using products in the wrong order can create a barrier, preventing some products from reaching your skin and potentially causing irritation or breakouts. Imagine applying a thick cream before a serum. The serum won't be able to penetrate through the cream. Remember, your skin is unique and deserves to be treated with care. What works for one person might not work for another, so it's essential to find a routine that suits your skin type and concerns. Just like you invest time and effort in choosing the right products for your skin type, you should also pay attention to how you apply them. Read the labels, follow the instructions, and don't be afraid to experiment to find what works best for you. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. A well-thought-out skincare routine can make a world of difference, leaving you with healthy, glowing skin that you'll love. So, what's the secret to layering skincare products like a pro? It's all about understanding the order and consistency of each product. It's simple. Go from thinnest to thickest consistency. This method ensures that each product can penetrate your skin effectively. Think of it like this: the thinner the product, the easier it is for it to penetrate your skin. Thinner products are designed to deliver active ingredients deep into your skin layers. Start with your most lightweight products like toners and serums. These are usually water-based and have a light, fluid texture. These are formulated with smaller molecules that can dive deep into your pores and deliver potent ingredients. This step is crucial for targeting specific skin concerns. Next, move on to slightly thicker products like moisturizers and face oils. These products are designed to hydrate and nourish the skin. These create a barrier on your skin surface, locking in hydration and protecting it from external aggressors. They help to seal in the benefits of the previous layers. Lastly, apply the thickest products like sunscreens, which are designed to sit on top of your skin and shield it from harmful UV rays. Sunscreen is essential for protecting your skin from sun damage. By following this simple rule, you're ensuring that each product can effectively reach its target area and deliver its full potential. This method maximizes the benefits of your skincare routine. Plus, it helps to prevent pilling, those annoying little balls of product that can form on your skin when you layer products incorrectly. Proper layering ensures a smooth, flawless finish. Now, you might be wondering, what's the worst that could happen if I mix up the order? Well, besides potentially wasting your precious skincare products, using them in the wrong order can lead to a few unwelcome surprises. Firstly, it can hinder product absorption. Imagine applying a thick moisturizer before a lightweight serum. The moisturizer will create a barrier on your skin, preventing the serum from penetrating and delivering its active ingredients. This means you're not getting the full benefits of either product. Secondly, incorrect layering can lead to clogged pores and breakouts. When thicker products are applied before thinner ones, they can trap dirt, oil, and dead skin cells, leading to congestion and blemishes. Finally, mixing up your product order can sometimes cause irritation. Some ingredients, like retinol and vitamin C, can be potent and may irritate your skin if not layered properly. It's like mixing random ingredients in the kitchen. You never know what you're going to get. Ready to build your perfect skincare routine? Whether you're a skincare newbie or a seasoned pro, having a structured routine can make all the difference in achieving that glowing, healthy complexion. Here's a basic step-by-step guide to get you started. Remember, the key to effective skincare is consistency and using the right products for your skin type. Consistency is key when it comes to skincare, so try to stick to this routine morning and night for best results. Step 1. Cleanser. Begin by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove makeup, dirt, and impurities. This step is crucial as it creates a clean canvas for the rest of your products to work their magic. Make sure to choose a cleanser that suits your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, combination, or sensitive. This ensures that your skin is not stripped of its natural oil. Step 2. Toner, which is optional but highly beneficial for men. Toners are designed to balance your skin's pH levels and prep it for the next steps in your routine. If you choose to use one, apply it after cleansing. Toners can also help to remove any residual impurities and provide an extra layer of hydration. Step 3. Serum. Now it's time for the heavy hitters. Serums are packed with concentrated doses of active ingredients that target specific skin concerns like acne, hyperpigmentation, or fine lines. Apply a few drops of serum to your face and gently pat it in. This allows the active ingredients to penetrate deeply into your skin. Serums can be a game changer in your skincare routine, addressing issues like dullness, uneven texture, and signs of aging. Step 4. Moisturizer. Even oily skin needs hydration. Apply a moisturizer to lock in moisture and keep your skin feeling soft and supple. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type. For oily skin, opt for a lightweight, non-comedogenic formula. For dry skin, a richer, more hydrating formula works best, and that's your basic skincare routine. Remember, you can always customize it based on your skin's individual needs and concerns. Don't forget to listen to your skin and adjust your routine as needed. Happy skincare journey. One of the most important things to remember when layering skincare products is to allow each one to absorb fully before moving on to the next. This ensures that each product has enough time to penetrate your skin and work its magic. Think of it like painting your nails. You wouldn't apply another coat of polish before the previous one has dried, would you? The same goes for skincare. Give each product a minute or two to sink in before applying the next one. This will help to prevent peeling and ensure that your products are working effectively. While you're waiting, you can use your fingertips to gently massage the product into your skin. This helps to stimulate blood flow and enhance absorption. One of the most important things to remember when choosing your skincare products is that your skin type determines which products would be most compatible with your skin. Follow the link below to take part in our skin type quiz. Thank you for dropping by. Hope this has been useful. Leave your comments below, like, share, and subscribe to Out channel for more beauty talk. See you next time.